Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads. I want to introduce you to our new training calendar that is now live in your Listings to Leads account. And when you log in, click on the training tab. It's the very top on the left-hand side right there. And you're going to see our training calendar. We've also got a couple of presentations and we're going to be adding to this as well. But first, let's talk about the training calendar. This is part of our daily coaching that we do. We're going to be alternating between live calls every single month, and then we're going to be promoting the dailies via email every month as well. So you can see here, it is June 2024. Today is June 6th. So we're promoting and we're recommending that you do the 100-point home marketing plan that is in your Listings to Leads account. This is under the listing presentation tab on the listings dashboard. So if you click this, you'll see sometimes there's two options. And here we got the write up and walkthrough video. And you can register for a live webinar. Some of them will have a checklist that we definitely recommend that you download and use as a guide to make sure that you get done with all the activities, because I know you're so busy that if you just get into it, you get distracted or you get a call coming in that you need to deal with. It can get, where did I end up at, and all that kind of good stuff. So if you use the checklists where they're available, they're going to help you as well. So here I'm going to go ahead and click on the write up and walkthrough video. And we try to keep these videos about 20 to 30 minutes at most. We want to make sure that you can get through it quickly. So these are not hour-long calls that we're doing here in these videos. And they're meant for you to play the video, pause it as needed to accomplish the activity that we're talking about. And by the time you get done with the video, you should have almost every single thing done. And in all of these trainings, pretty much every single day, we're talking about Facebook ads, social media posts. Some of them have optional Google ads if you're into doing Google. We got tools for your database, both e-flyers and scripts for the call through your database. We got tools for your farm, both letters, postcards, door hangers, as well as scripts for both circle prospecting and your farm as well, and other tools such as things for your yard signs and a whole lot of other things as well. So we're going to make sure that every single day you are hitting your audiences across most platforms, making sure that homeowners, potential home sellers, home buyers are all thinking about you when they start thinking about buying or selling real estate. So every single day, every single weekday, there is an activity. So you can see here, Mondays, we're marketing listings, ours or borrowed, to make sure that we generate a lot of great buyer leads, but also upstream seller leads. Tuesdays, we're going to be talking about the PDF guides. We're going to alternate between buyer and seller guides. Phenomenal mid-level content. Wednesdays, we're going to be talking about pending and sold listings. Again, yours or borrowed, and our training walks through this. So there's really, you don't need to worry about, well, what do I do today? How do I do what it is that needs to get done? Because we have now laid it all out for you. And after 14 years of doing this calendar right here, will explode your business. So try to get into this. You may not be able to do every single thing every single day, but I can promise you, if you start following this and if you start attempting to do this, you will, you'll get a lot better at doing it. You'll get faster at doing it, and you're going to start generating and engaging more leads from doing it. So please make sure to get into the daily training calendar. Let us know if you have any questions or how we can improve this if needed. And then over here on the presentation tab, this is fabulous for both you as an agent, but also if you're a trainer, you're a coach, maybe you're a broker, you're a lender, and you want to present listings to leads, you want to help agents with listings to leads to do better. This right here is the intro to listings to leads. You can even download it and you can actually present it right from here. And then we've got our mega open house presentation. This is absolutely phenomenal. So if you've got an open house coming up, I highly recommend, you can find the open house training on the daily calendar, and then you can also check this out as well. So I'm just telling you right here, if you want to take your open houses to the next level, where they become events where homeowners, home buyers in the area start getting to know who you are from afar, but also close up, you got to be using this open house training. So make sure that you're using it. And again, with the open house training, you may not be able to get everything done on the first time that you try it, because there's a lot there. This is a very comprehensive training on open houses on how to engage homeowners, how to engage home buyers. We got scripts for when people walk in. We got scripts for as people are leaving the open house. We got tools to get more people at that open house than you've ever had before. So use the open house training as well. And I tell you, I recommend doing open houses every single weekend that you can, right? There are top coaches out there that talk about doing open houses almost every single day of the week. So you don't have to limit it to a 2-hour thing on a Sunday. You can do more open houses. And I encourage you, especially for listing agents, think about doing neighbors only open houses. And we address that in our open house training. So if you have any questions, any feedback, any comments on the training calendar here, we'd absolutely love to hear it. But please use this training calendar so that you are not sitting there wondering, what can I do today? How do I do what I need to do today? How am I going to get more buyers? How am I going to get more sellers? Because that is all addressed right here for you. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.